look at the hood of this Cadillac Hearse, you can see in direct sunlight all of these scratches and swirls. So the idea with paint correction is that we can level out the clear coat to some degree. And once the clear coat is leveled out, the shine and gloss, it's just how our eyes work. That's how our eyes perceive shine and gloss. So that's the reason we get rid of these swirls and scratches, because once it's all level, our eyes see that leveling out as shine and gloss. And you can see the amount of improvement we got from doing that one-step polish. In direct sunlight, you don't see all those swirls and scratches. And she's looking fly. Bringing your ride back to life.